today I'm very excited to bring to you an honest review of this mandolin slicer. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at it. So first off, it's gonna have this stand here on the back. It's gonna have this very nice texture here that will get a great grip on your table. And then from there, you can go ahead and start slicing. So you have this right here to go ahead and use to slice. And it comes with this nice little handle here, so you can go ahead and put your hands just like this when you're using it. Just make sure you have it going the right way. So wherever the arrows are pointing is the way you want to go ahead and hold it. So the arrows are going to be pointing this way. So I'll go ahead and use it. So basically it's going to have these right here in the bottom. So very nice. And you just go ahead and from there, get it slid into that railing groove. And then from there you can go ahead and use it. Just like that. Very nice, easy to go ahead and use. And then of course this is going to go ahead and pop out, make it easy to go ahead and clean there. So very, very nice slicer. And then you do have these gloves for some protection, that way you don't cut yourself. These are very, very nice to go ahead and have, just in case. So you can go ahead and adjust the thickness of it as well, which is amazing when you actually go ahead and do the slicing, because it's going to go ahead and be here on the side. So from there you can go ahead and adjust the thickness there. So very easy to go ahead and do. So I'd highly recommend, if you're looking for a very nice mandolin slicer for carrots, cucumbers, oranges, go and check this out.